If you are over 60 and struggling from muscle loss or weak muscles, listen to me carefully because I'm about to reveal something that will save your life. Many seniors live in fear. They worry about falling, about losing the strength to stand up from a chair, or about being forced to depend on others. What if I told you that the secret to reversing these risks starts with a simple change in your daily routine? It is not reserved for young bodybuilders or elite athletes. It is accessible and effective for seniors. Yet most older adults have been led to believe that strenuous exercise is dangerous. The truth is, the opposite is true. If done correctly, resistance training is one of the safest and most powerful tools against muscle loss. Progressive resistance training is more than just lifting weights. It is a precise method where you gradually increase the load on your muscles. This controlled stress sends strong signals to your body to rebuild and strengthen muscle fibers. Researchers at McMaster University reported that seniors who pushed their muscles to near exhaustion twice a week gained significantly more muscle strength than those who spent hours on low-intensity activities. They experienced improvements in balance, walking speed, and overall quality of life. Every day, simple actions either build your strength or allow it to fade. Without regular, effective training, the body's natural decline accelerates. Falling behind on muscle maintenance can lead to serious consequences. Hospitals report that over 300,000 seniors are admitted every year because of falls linked to weak muscles. Those frightening numbers come from reliable sources like Harvard Medical School. It is a stark reminder that each day counts and the decisions you make today determine your independence tomorrow. So how can you begin progressive resistance training safely? Start with low weights or resistance bands. The key is to work your muscles until they feel fatigued. Aim for sessions that take just 20 to 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. The method is simple but effective. Your muscles are built on the use it or lose it principle. When you continuously challenge them, you force your cells to rebuild stronger, just as they once were. It is important to work with a professional at first. A trainer experienced in senior fitness can guide you on the best form, proper breathing techniques, and how to pace your workouts. They will help you avoid injuries and ensure your muscles are stimulated without unnecessary strain on your joints. Many seniors fear that high-intensity resistance training will lead to injury, but studies from the Mayo Clinic prove that when supervised and properly executed, it actually protects you by strengthening the very tissues that prevent falls. Imagine the possibility: waking up each day with the strength you once had, feeling confident that you can climb stairs, lift groceries, or even dance with your grandkids. The research is clear. Progressive resistance training not only boosts muscle strength, but also improves blood glucose control, bone density, and even cognitive function. These benefits act like an insurance policy for your body, giving you a fighting chance against the inevitable effects of aging. The science behind progressive resistance training is rooted in simple biology. When you challenge your muscles, they experience micro-tears. Your body repairs these tears by fusing muscle fibers, increasing their size and strength. Think of it like a construction project where each workout is a building block. This process also releases powerful hormones like human growth hormone and testosterone that further stimulate muscle growth. Studies from the National Institutes of Health have linked this hormonal surge to increased muscle mass and improved metabolic health. Yet, many are unaware of the specific details that can make or break your efforts. A common mistake is to use the same low-intensity routines that work for only a few minutes and then return to sedentary habits for the rest of the day. This approach fails to challenge your muscles, and as a result, they continue to waste away. The secret lies in short, purposeful bouts of intense activity that push your muscles to what experts call momentary muscular failure. In simple terms, this is when you can perform no more repetitions with proper form. It is in these moments that your body receives the strongest signal to rebuild. A study from the University of Alabama demonstrated that even seniors who started progressive resistance training later in life gained noticeable strength and muscle mass in just 12 weeks. There is a natural hesitancy among seniors when it comes to exercise. Many have been told that strenuous activity might cause heart problems or joint pain, but careful research from Harvard Health confirms that when progressive resistance training is done correctly, it not only avoids these pitfalls, but actively improves cardiovascular health and joint stability. The resistance training routines prescribed for seniors are always adapted to individual capacities. They are designed to be safe while still being challenging. This means that what may seem too intense for someone else could be perfectly manageable for you, especially when initiated at a slow and steady pace. What makes this habit truly powerful is its cumulative effect. You might not see dramatic changes on day one, but each session builds on the last. The benefits are not only physical. Many seniors who adopt resistance training report improved moods and a renewed sense of hope. They look forward to each session with anticipation, knowing that with every workout, they are taking a crucial step away from frailty and toward greater independence. The concept of progressive resistance training also holds a hidden gem: its potential to act as a shield against other age-related challenges. Muscle loss is not an isolated issue. When you lose muscle, you often see declines in mobility, balance, and even mental sharpness. Strengthening your muscles can help keep your metabolism active and your cognitive functions alert. This connection between physical strength and overall well-being is supported by research from both the Mayo Clinic and Harvard Health. It creates a powerful incentive to see every workout as an investment in your future. As you begin your journey with progressive resistance training, remember that consistency is key. Missing a few sessions can stall your progress. The body thrives on regular challenges that it can adapt to. The idea is not to completely overhaul your lifestyle overnight, but to integrate this habit into your daily routine. It may be as simple as using resistance bands while watching TV or doing a few bodyweight exercises while waiting for your coffee to brew. These small changes can produce large results if maintained over time. There is still much more to learn about the secrets of aging well. Medical science is constantly uncovering new details about muscle preservation and strength restoration. For now, the overwhelming evidence supports the one daily habit that can turn back the clock on muscle deterioration. Progressive resistance training is the key to unlocking the muscle strength you thought was lost forever. What if by adopting just this one habit, you could improve your quality of life so dramatically that everyday tasks become easier? What if you could reclaim your independence and reduce your risk of falls and hospitalizations? The numbers are staggering and the risks too high to ignore. Your muscles are not just for lifting, they are your foundation for a strong and independent life. The decision to incorporate progressive resistance training into your daily routine might just be the most important health decision you make. Take a moment to reflect on your daily habits. Identify where you might be falling short, and replace those moments with a focused, resistance-based workout. Your future self will thank you for the empowerment and freedom that come with maintained muscle strength.